Time to make seats. Yes, I've already built the seat. You've seen me sitting in the car, but I need to finish it now. I want a little cushion. I'm getting old. I can't handle the sitting on plywood going down the street type of deal. I've never done this before, like everything else, and just kind of figure it out as I move along here. So that's the plan for today. Seats. Well, let's try a seat first and then see how it goes, and yeah, let's go with that. I'm gonna do it on the floor here, so I'm gonna put something down so I don't get the seat all dirty. Moving blankets are a good option. Gives you a little cushion and it keeps you off the dirty concrete. I purchased these seat sides off the interwebs. I think Winter Fab. I'll put the link in the description of where I got these from. It's just the sides and then you build them yourself from there. Saved me a lot of time. So I've already built the seat itself, so now I just need to cover it somehow. And I have an idea. But first I need to take it apart. See? Simple. This was the table that I used to mount my body to, and I built my frame on. Figured I'd cut it up. So I'm recycling. Went to the hardware store and got these. I think they're called T-nuts. I don't know. They're a nut with a spike on them. And you just kind of hammer them into your hole. Bam, bam. The brackets have provisions for 3 on each side, giving you a total of 6 to mount. I'm only gonna use 4. Guess a hammer would help. Ah. Seems good. They didn't have enough at the hardware store to do them all the same size. So I'm gonna do the bottom one size and the top and the back's another size. So I gotta make sure I don't screw that up. There, now I've got nuts inserted. And with any luck, they should be the right size. Perfect. Now I just need the rest. Sparkly. Probably shouldn't have done the drilling on the spot I was trying to keep clean. Oh well. Got some foam. Ooh, that's gonna be way better than sitting on plywood. For sure. My next question is how big do I cut the vinyl? Because I don't know. It's marine vinyl, so if it gets wet, it should be fine. I don't know how much overlap I need. I just don't know. We'll just get her close-ish. I do actually have a sheetrock square, which would be ideal for this, but it's inside downstairs on another project, so this will work. Besides, this is the first one. I'm probably gonna screw it up anyways. Let's be real. Well, that was way quieter than using the cutoff wheel. How do you suppose I do the corners where they don't bunch up? Maybe I cut the corners at an angle? I don't know. What's the right way to do this, people? I'm just gonna start stapling it down. I got the foam right to the edge of the seat because I think that's where I'm going to want it more in the back than in the back. Let's just staple some down and see what happens. Of course, the first staple I put in hit my nut, so that worked out really well. As per usual, it is not lost on me. There's probably some expert up there watching this. Fingers crossed, hopefully. That's like, dumbass, why are you making this look so difficult? Well, it's because I don't know what the hell I'm doing, that's why. I did watch a YouTube video, but you know, it's YouTube. Should work, huh? Oh yeah, that is much softer on the badunkadunk than the piece of plywood. Who knows how it'll be after, you know, a long drive, but I'm happy with it right now. Next. Sweet. I got thinner foam for the back. I was more concerned about my derriere than my back. But I think it'll be just fine. I'm sure it won't be long, and the guys at West Coast Customs will be calling me for all their custom interior needs. No doubt. Lost my scissors. Still gonna find my holes. That'll be fine though. No big deal there. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. Does it need to be? Of course not. Does it look like I care? Nope, sure don't. Let's put it back together and see how she looks, huh? They all went back in. You know what? I wonder if I should leave those loose until I get, yeah. Why don't we do that? Oh no! Why did that happen? We had one come out. Am I supposed to glue them? Let's try this again. Okay. Oh, another one popped out. Damn it. If this continues to be an issue, I am going to glue them in. Maybe I'm supposed to glue them in. I don't know. Try this again. I'll just keep doing it till it works. That one pulled out, so that's awesome. What do we think? It's not bad. I'm putting down pressure on it and a lot. I think they'll be fine. It's actually pretty comfortable if I do say so myself. Sweet. Don't be fooled. I didn't clean the inside of the car out because I wanted a clean Ratrod. I did that because I don't need all those metal shavings getting embedded in my eyeballs. I'm trying to protect them. Now I can rip that firewall back out of there, install my seats, put the firewall back in again, and keep moving forward. Maybe bleed the brakes. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. If you recall when I built this firewall, link will be in the description. I have to make my firewall removable, or I have to remount my seats. This seemed like the easier option. Pretty basic. Have I tested that I can get my firewall in here with both seats in? Nope, sure haven't. Here's hoping. Why is that so far off? That don't make sense. I swear I've had these seats in here before. Wow. Ow. I just pinched myself. Damn it. Maybe front first? I don't know. Yeah, they're not fun bolt in. Not fun at all. My guess is something probably moved when I finished welded them. They got a little lean to them, but I don't care. This side should go easier, right? Probably not. Should I have done the front first like I did on the passenger side? Probably. But I like to learn things the hard way. It's right there. Haha! I didn't even screw the threads up. Yes! This side went together way easier. That tells me I did that side first, learned my lesson, and then built this side. That's what I think happened. The previous screws I took out of here were only strictly to hold it up for me. I didn't know where the finals were going to go because I didn't have my seats in yet, and I needed to make sure I could access it with my seats in. Well, that just got lost in the abyss. No fear there, I have more. Are my seats perfectly aligned? No. No, they are not. That might bother me one day, and I may fix that. But for now, we're gonna go with it. And I completely missed. Pretty sure. Guy has to try it out, right? Can't go through all that work and then not even see if they work. Gotta know if they work. How do you really know if you don't have a steering wheel in here? It could do with a little bit smaller steering wheel, but I think we'll manage. Whoa. Great day. Just kidding. Doors shut, legs are in. Sitting a little bow-legged because the steering wheel seems so big all of a sudden. I'm not sure why that changed. Too late now. Yep, I think this is gonna work. Man, how did people drive these things back in the day? The seats used to come to like here.